We had a cold front come through, and today's going to be the cooler day behind the front, a windy day behind the front, but we should be mostly dry with a good deal of sunshine in the forecast. We're starting off chilly though. We're going to be in the low 40s for a few hours, and then we're going to get to 45 around 9 o'clock this morning. Winds will generally be coming in from the west between 15 and 25, but at times we're going to see some higher gusts up near 30 or even 35 miles per hour through the day. So just be prepared for that. It's going to be a windy one. Now, the rainfall we saw yesterday was a daily record in Dayton, almost 2 inches there. But take a look at Sidney. Those are the 2-day totals, 4.1 inches of rainfall. We had a lot of spots near the 3-inch mark, 3 inches in Trotwood, Kettering, 3.3, Beaver Creek 3.5, and then 3.6 in Xenia. So a soaking rain out of that system that came through, bringing in the tropical moisture, and now the cold front is east of us, and so is the rain. So we are back to dry weather here. There's a little area again back to the west of maybe a few sprinkles that'll try to get into the southern portion of the Miami Valley this morning, but otherwise we do expect a mix of sun and clouds and pretty quiet weather conditions today besides the wind. It's 42. We have a south wind at 10 currently. That does give us a wind chill of 36 degrees, so it's feeling kind of cold out there, especially if you're out in that breeze. 19-mile-per-hour wind is what we're forecasting as we head through the day. You can see how those wind speeds pick up, especially as we get into the early and mid-afternoon, when we get them between 20 and 25 miles per hour here in the region. And all of really the northern half of Ohio and the northern half of Indiana are going to be dealing with those stronger winds. But then tonight they're going to drop off rather quickly. Here's 9 o'clock. We'll get them down near the 10-mile-per-hour mark. And by the time we get to Friday morning, generally a 5-mile-per-hour wind in some spots around the region, getting into some calm winds. So tomorrow will not be as gusty as today. Right now we're sitting at 42, but we're getting a westerly flow generally through the day, and that is going to help to draw in some of that cooler air to the west. You can see those upper 30s back towards Muncie, Lafayette, and Indianapolis. And Future Track shows pretty quiet conditions in place as we head between now and 5 o'clock. The drive home, partly sunny and dry, and overnight will be dry as well with partly cloudy conditions. As we head into Friday, we'll again see a mix of sun and clouds, probably starting the day with a few more clouds at least through the first half of the day, and then we'll see them kind of clear out as we head into those mid and late afternoon hours tomorrow. Today we'll be up to 52, partly sunny, windy, and cooler than we have been for sure. Overnight we drop down to a colder 36, so protect the plants if you still have them in pots and they're going. You want to keep them going. We have some warmer weather in the forecast for next week, so certainly worth it. 56 the high tomorrow, not as windy but still cool. We'll be dry as we finish off the week, but then over the weekend the rain chance comes back Saturday. Could see some scattered showers in the late afternoon and evening, and then especially overnight. Maybe something lingers early Sunday. Otherwise, Sunday afternoon looks dry, and look at that warming trend. We are back in the upper 60s by the time we get to early next week, and we could be pushing 70 by midweek.